3D printing in England. What is 3D printing? So 3D printing is a manufacturing process in which three-dimensional tangible objects can be created from a digital file. So this is achieved by using additive processes. So they're adding something instead of taking it away, like other machines that like carve something out. That would be like a subtractive process. Um, and this allows for more complex shapes to be created while using less materials. And how does 3D printing work? So in order to 3D print, you need a 3D model and 3D software. This can be built by the user or it can be purchased from other creators. There's a lot of people that have created 3D software that is really user-friendly and meant for beginners that is out there. So it is kind of moving towards away from businesses and into consumers. Who is using 3D printing? So the majority of 3D printing technology is being used in the manufacturing industry in the United Kingdom right now. In the UK is actually home to some of the world leaders in this technology, like Renishaw. They are one of the world leaders in 3D metal printing. And then other companies like MakerBot creates 3D printers and resells them to manufacturers. And there's also 3D printing services like Trillium Systems that like actually do the process for consumers. Where are they using 3D printing? So while the majority of large-scale companies in the United Kingdom that specialize in 3D printing partner with manufacturers, there are other consumers in the market. It is becoming like recent, like 2020, 2021, so the last 2 years. But in recent years, it has become common to make 3D printing a household technology. So like phone applications and smaller scale printers that people actually use. I've actually seen some on TikTok before of like that's people starting their small businesses. So they're definitely becoming more prevalent on the consumer level. And then some companies that portray this trend include Scandy Pro, and this is a UK-based iOS app that allows users to create colorful 3D scans. And then printing management companies like Make Printable and Simplify do exist as well. So these are just companies that make sure that if there's any errors with your processes, they come in and it's kind of like a customer service for your printer type thing. Why are they using 3D printing? So again, we talked about this earlier, but one of the most prevalent benefits to 3D printing is the ability to create complex shapes while using less materials than traditional manufacturing processes. So this allows company to save time and money on their projects. There's a ton of other advantages that make 3D printing ideal for manufacturing as well as research and development goals. I'm just going to talk about these three. So the first one is rapid prototyping. So basically with 3D printing, since you're able to create something so fast and you're not using that much material to make it, you could make like 3 prototypes in like a week of one product, and you're able to go through and work the tweaks out so much faster than you would with other manufacturing processes. Another reason is it's way more environmentally friendly, especially when working with precious metals and things like that. 3D printing is a lot more specific, a lot more defined, so you don't waste as much material, so it's more environmentally friendly in that way, just in producing less waste and also using up less valuable resources. And then flexible designs kind of goes hand in hand with rapid prototyping. Just again, being able to tweak something really fast to your liking. Sometimes in a lab or through research and development, you might have an idea, but you can't see that idea through for 6 more months. But with 3D printing, you could do it within the next week. Okay, so this is just how through the innovation of development and 3D printing technology, progress is made towards the UN 17 Sustainable Development Goals. So I've specifically highlighted these 4 goals. So the first one is good health and well-being. This is just because 3D printing technology has become really prevalent in healthcare. With making things like artificial limbs, just other healthcare supplies and treatment that could be useful for patients. Industry, innovation, and infrastructure. Obviously, these processes are innovating the manufacturing industry. Responsible consumption and production and climate action kind of go hand in hand. Just talking again about how the use of 3D printing really limits the waste in the manufacturing processes and cuts back on material usage. So that's really important. Okay, and then here are my references.